We've all heard the phrase, God accepts you just the way you are. And it's true, God's love is unconditional. He sees us in our mess, our mistakes, and our struggles, and He loves us anyway. But sometimes, this phrase can be misleading. It might make us think that we can just stay the way we are, that we don't need to change or grow. But God's grace is so much more than just acceptance. Yes, He loves us as we are, but He loves us too much to leave us that way. His grace is not just a warm hug, it's a lifeline, it's a rescue mission that pulls us out of our old life and into a brand new one. God's grace doesn't leave us stuck in the storm, it brings us into His peace. He doesn't just accept us, He transforms us. Romans chapter 8 verse 1 tells us, "Therefore there is now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus." When we accept Jesus, we are made new. We are no longer defined by our past mistakes, our failures, or our shortcomings. We are seen as righteous in God's eyes, not because of anything we have done, but because of what Jesus has done for us. This is the beauty of grace. It doesn't just forgive us, it makes us new. We are a new creation in Christ, free from the weight of our past and empowered to live a new life. Just like a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, we too are transformed by the power of God's grace. Imagine a life raft thrown into the stormy sea. That's what God's grace is like. We are lost and adrift in our sin, but He throws us a lifeline, offering us salvation and a way out. But He doesn't just leave us stranded on that raft, He pulls us aboard His ship, offering us safety, shelter, and a journey to a new land. That new land is a life of purpose, peace, and joy, a life lived in relationship with Him. His grace is not just about escaping the storm, it's about finding a new home in His love. God's grace is a rescue mission, and He is the ultimate rescuer, pulling us out of danger and into His loving arms. 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17 says, "Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here." This verse beautifully illustrates the transformative power of grace. When we surrender to Christ, we are made new. Our old selves, with all our flaws and imperfections, are gone. We are given a fresh start, a new beginning. This transformation is a process, a journey of sanctification. There will be ups and downs, times when we stumble and fall, but through it all, God's grace is sufficient. He never leaves us nor forsakes us, and He continues to mold us into the image of His Son. Just as a potter skillfully molds clay into a beautiful vessel, God's grace shapes us, refines us, and transforms us into who He created us to be. God's acceptance is not the end of the story, it's just the beginning. It's the starting point of an incredible journey of transformation and renewal. Let us embrace His grace fully and allow it to work its wonders in our lives. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.